Good morning, dear children. Today in our social class, we'll just revise, okay? So we have finished almost how many lessons? I think we have finished 10 lessons in social, isn't it? So we'll finish it off, and for our terminal exam, we'll have 10 lessons, okay? So we are from today onwards, we'll just revise what all we have learned, and then we'll go through. Okay, so here you have in page number 52 you have a model test paper, and we'll just go on a glance. Okay, I'll be asking you the question. I think you'll be able to answer the questions. Okay, the first one is we are going to circle the correct answers. The things we eat are called what? Clothes or food? What do we eat? Do we eat clothes or do we eat food? Yes, we eat food, isn't it? So food is the correct answer. Next, a cat raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. A cat or a raincoat keeps us dry when it rains. Which one keeps us dry? Dryனா நம்மள எப்படி நம்மள பாதுகாப்பாக வச்சுக்கோம். Which one? A cat or a raincoat? Raincoat keeps us dry, isn't it? Raincoat போடனா we never get wet in the rain. The next one, we must never share our hanky books with anyone. I have told you a few things that we should not share with others, isn't it? So in that, we should never share hanky or books. எது ஷேர் பண்ணக்கூடாது? Hanky, isn't it? Hankyனா kerchief. We should not share with others. நம்ம மற்றவங்களோட பகிர்ந்துக்க கூடாது. Next one, when mummy says thank you, I say welcome or please. When anybody says thank you, when you are telling, when you go and say thank you to your friend or something, someone, what do they say? When you say thank you, we need to say welcome. Okay, next one, a joint family, small family, has father, mother and children. We learned about families: small family, big family and joint family, isn't it? So you know what is a small family. In small family, only father, mother and children will be there. Big family, father, mother, children and grandparents will be there. And in the joint family, all will be there. For example, parents, then children, grandparents, auntie, uncle, all those people will be there. So that is a joint. But here, a joint or a small family has father, mother and children. So you have to circle which one is correct. Next one, sixth one. We go to park to study or to play. Where do we go to park? What do we do when you go to park? Do we study there? No, we play, isn't it? Okay, play is the right answer. When we are sick, our parents, friends look after us. Who looks after us when we are sick? There is one person who treats us. But here, யார் நம்மளை பார்த்துக்குவா? Who look of us when we are sick? Do our friends or our parents? Yes, our parents take care of us, isn't it? We cook food in the kitchen, washroom. Where do we cook? Do we cook in the washroom? No, we cook in the kitchen. Next, the lion lives in a hole, den. Where does the lion live? The lion lives in a den. The last one, a frog, fish can live both on land and in water. Here two animals are there, frog and fish. Now we are going to say which animal can live both in land and in water. தண்ணிலையும் landலையும் இருக்கும். landல வெளியில இருக்கும். Which animal can stay both in water and land? Okay, that is frog. Very good. Next, fill in the blanks. Here you have got the answers inside the apple. You can choose from there. We must dash our mouth after we eat anything. What we have to do? So I'll tell you the answer. You have to find. Okay, I'll tell some answers. You just options. You have to tell me the answer. Clean, rinse, stable, joint, cotton. So which is the answer? Clean or rinse? Cleanனா சுத்தப்படுத்துறது, rinseனா கொப்பளிக்கிறது. ரின்ஸ்னா வாயை கொப்பளிக்கணும், ரின்ஸ் பண்ணணும், கார்கிள் பண்ணணும் சொல்லுவோம்ல. ஸோ தி ஆன்சர் இஸ் ரின்ஸ். Number 2, we wear dash clothes in summer. What do we wear? What type of clothes we wear in summer? Summerல நம்ம என்ன ரொம்ப ஹாட்டாக இருக்கும். What do we wear? We wear cotton clothes. We must keep our nails. எப்படி இருக்கணும்? நம்ம nailsலாம் எப்படி இருக்கணும்? Yes, we should keep our nails clean. A very large family is called a joint family. Large family na ellarum irupanga. That is a joint family. Next one, the last one. A dash is where we keep horses. Name the house of the horse. Yes, it is stable. stable, stable. And here you have got some true or false. A nurse wears a uniform to work. Yes, nurse wears uniform, isn't it? The next, we must drink clean water. We must drink clean water. Do we need to drink clean water? Yes. Next, third one. We should not save water. We should save water or we should not save water? Yes, we have to save water. So that is false. The next, father and mother are called parents. Correct. The bee lives in a hoop. Where does the bee lives? Does it lives in hoop? And which animal lives in hoop? Yes, hen. So bee lives in a beehive. So it is wrong. So now next, match the following. Bedroom. You can from bedroom. What do we do in the bedroom? We rest and sleep. Next one, lobster lives in water. Lobster na nandu madri irukum. Sheep gives us wool. Apra sorry, it's a magic word. Mother's father is a grandfather. Chariya? Now look at the picture. There are two questions. What do we call this room? Yes, we call this room as a living room or a sitting room. Chariya? First hall irukolla. So we call that room as a living room. What do we do in this room? What do we do? Okay, when we have guests or anybody is visiting us, our guest used to sit in this room, isn't it? Only other visitors வந்தாங்க, நம்ம கெஸ்ட், நம்மளோட ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸ் ஆர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நேராக அவங்கள கூட்டிகிட்டு போய் பெட்ரூமில் அப்புறம் கிச்சனில் உட்கார வச்சுக்கோமா? நோ, we used to sit in this living room. Next, you have got some few questions. What must we do to get energy? நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும் to get energy? Yes, we need to eat food, good food to get energy. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Right? 2 ways to keep ourselves clean. Brushing our teeth, taking bath. So all those things, okay? Next one. When should we say please? When we need something. நமக்கு ஏதாவது வேணும் அப்படின்னாக்க we say please. The next one. Where does a monkey live? The monkey lives in a tree. So cover all this in the questions. You can write in the rough note. The answers இருக்குல்ல, இதை வந்து rough noteல நீங்கள் சும்மா எழுதி பார்த்துக்கலாம். Okay, ma'am. But all of the things you have to finish in your book. The next, page number 64. You have got an activity here. Okay, help Rohan to get ready for school. Number these pictures correctly. So Rohan has got ready to go to school. He's a small boy. He has got ready to go to school. And now we have to we have to say, after here it is, this picture is given as 1 because he got up from the bed. And now after getting up from the bed, what he'll do, bedla enna pannom, he brush his teeth. After brushing his teeth, what he'll do, he'll be taking bath, then combing hair, getting ready, then eating, and then going to school. Okay, ma'am? So numbers down. And here, what do you carry in your school bag? Color the correct clouds. Use different colors. What do we take when we, what do we name, write few things that we take to school? Fan, crayons, toys, pencil box, books, mirror, kanadi, notebooks, clock. So you're going to color only the things, only the clouds. Like inside the clouds, there are some things are given. You're going to color only the things that you will be taking to the school. You're going to color it. Finish this page. Okay, ma? So this is all for this day. Complete this and study. Okay. Thank you.